11 Fire Safety Tips for Hokies Living on Campus. Why follow the fire safety rules? To help keep you and your fellow Hokies safe and avoid burning down your residence hall for a start. Every rule has a reason. Let's get into it. Tampering with fire safety equipment is prohibited. False alarms and misuse endanger lives, desensitize residents to real alarms, divert emergency resources, and risk equipment failure, property damage. Die indicators mark offenders for 3+ days. Failing to evacuate during any fire alarm, real or drill, will result in a conduct referral and may result in probation or a more serious disciplinary sanction. Following this rule decreases risk to you, your peers, and fire safety personnel. Do not block hallways, stairwells, or doors. Ask yourself, do you really want to navigate around a bicycle or a laundry basket while trying to evacuate for an emergency? These items in hallways will cause fire to spread easier and more rapidly. Keep pathways clear. Multi-plug strips must be directly plugged into the wall. No extension cords allowed. And each student is limited to 2 power outlet strips. In a residence hall setting with limited space and many devices, it is important to use a UL-listed power strip. Never hang items on or cause disturbance to sprinkler heads or smoke detectors. If you accidentally trigger one, your belongings could be ruined and you may be responsible for university property damage. Combustible materials, which are items that can catch fire and burn easily, facing hallways, exits, or stairwells, should not exceed 20% of wall surface area. Combustible materials on your door can more easily catch fire and prevent you from exiting through the door. Only cool-toned mini lights are allowed in student rooms. They cannot contact combustible materials, and the first string must be plugged directly into the wall or a university-approved power strip. This rule helps prevent electrical fires. These appliances have an increased risk of starting a fire in your residence hall room. Leave these items at home. Coffee makers, irons, and small microwaves are allowed to prevent fire hazards while still giving you the essentials. Flammable decorations can only cover up to 10% of total wall space. Limiting flammable materials in your room helps prevent fires from spreading quickly. Proper placement and non-combustible decorations reduce fire risk in your room. No materials can be hung from the ceiling in student rooms. Any decorative fabrics must be labeled NFPA 701 tested, meaning they have some sort of flame resistance. Flammable materials on windows can obstruct exits and worsen fire spread. Flammable items may not be stored or used in residence halls. Open flames and flammable materials pose serious fire safety hazards in shared living spaces. While your candles and incense may be relaxing, accidental fires are not. Help protect your peers and yourself. Avoid serious university and legal consequences. University policies align with state laws that everyone must follow. Following the fire code and housing policies is required. Students are responsible for familiarizing themselves with the material on housing.vt.edu.